Good morning, guys. Today I'm going to be doing a service video for my Tesla, just an update. I have some more problems with it. Not really anything bad. It's just the front camera. Whenever you're going on FSD, full self-drive, it just has kind of like a fog in it. Let me see if I can show y'all. As you can see, it says like interior windshield residue detected. This has been going on for a while. But yeah, this is what's going to get fixed today. This camera right here. For some reason, there was like a cold day and it got fogged up. And now I need to take it in. Also, something that has been going wrong too is this right here. I don't know why, but it stops. I guess it's just, it needs more lubricant on the sides. But I need to get that fixed too. So yeah, today shouldn't be a long video. It's just me taking the car to the dealership for it to get fixed. I'll put a video of my app and show y'all that it's gonna be a free fix-up. But what I don't like is that it's supposed to only take like an hour or two. They won't give me a loaner car. I will probably have to Uber to work after I drop it off, which is inconvenient, but at least it's a free fix-up. I actually don't know how it got fucked up in there, but I shouldn't have to worry about it, you know? I think it was like a cold day, and I live in Texas, so it gets really humid. I guess it got in there, and it hasn't like unfogged. I'll probably make a new video soon on like all the updates that Tesla has done with FSD, just with the car overall, with Grok, and all the new toy box updates they made too. I also wanted to let y'all know that this has not affected self-driving. I don't know how, but it still has it, and there's no problems at all with it, so I can tell. But yeah, I still gotta get it fixed. It's just if it's free, why not, you know? But I don't know why it happened. Shouldn't be happening. I'll probably ask them later on, or I'll probably look up why it happened and see if I can do anything for it not to happen again. It's just bothersome to have to go drop off your car and then have to Uber back to work or something like that, but yeah, just waste of time. All right, so I just wanted to show y'all, this is pretty much what you see on the app. It shows you the drop off, the cost. You can see what the cost will be for. Yeah, it was $0 for that. And then you can put ready for drop off whenever you're gonna go drop it off. You can see the invoice, pick up your vehicle. So whenever it's done, you go pick it up, and then you can review the summary at the end. All right, so we're pulling up the Tesla rack now. As you can see, I've been here before. So I can see the Tesla right here, service center. Let me pull up and then I'll let y'all know what's up. So it says it's gonna take an hour or so. So I got my lift and I'm about to go. Okay, so whenever I drop my car, I got this notification that if I have any questions or anything like that, to hit them up. But then I got my notification. It took them around like 20 minutes, so I went to go pick it up. All right, so now I'm back. It took only like an hour for them to do this, and this is how they give it back. Looks great. So that's it for today's video. Remember to leave a like and a comment, and just let me know what y'all want to see next. See y'all in the next video.